Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, in this video we are going to start next book of English, that is Oxford Progressive English. That is Oxford Progressive English. Right now here you can see, and you can also say it OP in short. This book is very interesting. Hope you will enjoy it. So we are going to start. So dear student, our today's topic is family and friends. What is our topic is family and friends. First we will see what is family. Family, a group of person, generally consist of mother, father and children. बेसिकली फैमिली जो होती है वो एक ग्रुप होती है पीपल्स का, जिसमें होती है मदर, फादर और बच्चे. Family is consist on grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother, and you. The next side, uncle, aunt, cousin, and cousin. So, dear student, this is the tree of family. Next is friends. Let's see. People who spend time together. People who spend time together. They trust one another and also help each other when they are in the trouble or hurt. Those will be called friends. Dear student, people like to live together. We like to spend time with friends and also family. Dear student, how we can live together? We can live together by respect, by caring, by sharing. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, हम कैसे आपस में एक साथ रह सकते हैं? जब हम एक दूसरे की रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे, एक दूसरे की केयर करेंगे, चीज़ें शेयर करेंगे, तो हम हैप्पीली एक दूसरे के साथ रह सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट, हियर यू कैन सी सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ शेयरिंग. ही इज़ शेयरिंग हिज कलर, शी इज़ शेयरिंग हर बुक, शी इज़ शेयरिंग हर आइसक्रीम. डियर, आपको भी दूसरों से शेयर करनी चाहिए. डियर स्टूडेंट, open your OP book page number 2. There we will read unit number 1, family and friends. Dear student, in this unit there are many lessons, but today we will read, listen and speak. Exercise A. Listen and speak the numbers by their names. Dear student, यहाँ पर आपको कैरेक्टर्स नज़र आ रहे हैं. हम इसको रीड करेंगे और आप इस ब्लॉक में जो इनके स्टार्टिंग में ब्लॉक दिए गए हैं, इनका राइट नंबर इनके ब्लॉक के सामने लिखेंगे. डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर आपको जो कैरेक्टर्स नज़र आ रहे हैं उनके ऊपर यहाँ पर आपको नंबर नज़र आ रहे हैं 5, 6, 1 एक्सेट्रा. यहाँ पर इनके नाम्स दिए गए हैं. हमने फाइंड करना है कि कौन सा नाम किसका है और उसका राइट नंबर उसके सामने लिख देना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट टू रीड इट. So dear student, first is Samir. Samir is wearing a red shirt and dark green shorts. He is short and plump and he is holding a tablet. Samir is number 1. So there is a number 1 in the box beside his name. As an example, dear student, let's see where is Samir. Here you can see this is Samir. He is holding a tablet and he is wearing red shirt. This is already done as an example. Let's see another character. Second is Uncle Umar. Uncle Umar is wearing a light green shalwar kameez. He is near the door and he is quite tall. Write a number 2 in the box beside Uncle Umar. Dear student, let's find where is Uncle Umar. So he is Uncle Umar who is wearing light green shalwar and kameez and he is near the door. There is a name of Uncle Umar and beside his name there is a box. We will write number 2. So this is number 2. Next is Auntie Farida. Auntie Farida is wearing a purple suit and is holding a bag. She is near the door and is quite short. Write number 3 in the box beside Auntie Farida. Dear student, in this picture, can you find the Auntie Farida? Exactly, she is Auntie Farida. Where is the name of Auntie Farida? Well done. This is the name of Auntie Farida. What we will write here? We will write here number 3. Next is Fiza, Ali and Sarah's mother is wearing blue suit and she is near the door. Dear student, Fiza, Ali और सारा की मदर ने क्या वेयर किया हुआ है? Well done, blue suit. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर ब्लू सूट वाली लेडी कौन सी नज़र आ रही है? Well done, she is mother of Fiza, Ali and Sarah. Dear student, where is the character of Mama? Well done, this is the character of Mama. In this block, what we will write? We will write its number. Its number is number 4. Number 5. Fiza, Ali and Sarah's father is wearing a brown shirt and blue trousers. He is near the door. Dear student, can you find him? Well done. This is Fiza, Ali and Sarah's father who is wearing brown shirt and blue trousers. His number is number 5. We will write here number 5. 6 is Ali is wearing black trousers and blue shirt. He is holding an orange ball. Ali is number 6. Dear student, Ali ने क्या वेयर किया हुआ है? Well done, black trousers और blue shirt. और उसने क्या पकड़ा हुआ है? Well done, orange ball. क्या पकड़ा हुआ है? Orange ball. Dear student, can you find Ali? Well done, this is Ali. He wears blue shirt and black trousers and he is also holding orange ball. So this is an orange ball. His number is number 6. कैरेक्टर्स में फर्स्ट में ही लिखा हुआ है अली, तो अली के नाम में हम कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? नंबर 6. We will write here number 6. Next is Sarah. Sarah is wearing a red shirt. She is sitting with Dadi and reading a book. Dear student, let's find to the Sarah. Dear student, can you find Sarah? Well done. This is Sarah, who is wearing red shirt and also sitting beside grandmother or Dadi. So her number is number 7. Dear student, सारा वाले ब्लॉक में हम नंबर 7 लिखेंगे क्योंकि इसका नंबर 7 है. Number 8. Dadi. Dadi is wearing a blue suit. She is sitting with Sarah and reading a book. Dadi is number 8. Dear student, can you find Dadi? Well done. This is Dadi. Her number is number 8. Number 9. Dada. Dada is wearing a purple shalwar and a grey kameez and is walking to the door. He is holding a stick. Dada is number 9. Dear student, can you find Dada? Well done. This is Dada and his number is number 9. So dear student, Fiza is wearing a red dress and is very short. She is holding a escaping rope and feeling left out. Fiza is number 10. Dear student, let's find Fiza. Where is Fiza? Dear student, did you find Fiza? Well done. This is Fiza. She is holding a escaping rope. Her number is number 10. So we will write number 10 beside her name. Exercise B. Tell a friend what each person is doing and wearing in exercise A. Tell की बजाय आप write करेंगे, sentence लिखेंगे. Like here you can see Samir is wearing a red shirt. He is holding a tablet. Dear student, now you will take next character and write about him or her. Like this, Ali is wearing a red shirt. Dear student, जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा था, अली ने क्या वेयर किया हुआ था? रेड शर्ट, और उसने क्या पकड़ा हुआ था? वेल डन, उसने बॉल पकड़ा हुआ था। सो ही इज़ होल्डिंग अ बॉल। डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर आप कामा लगाएंगे बीच में और लास्ट में आप फुल स्टॉप देंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट, you will see this picture and then you will make these sentences. Hope you understood. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.